Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. Here's a Sprinter van that unfortunately had some pretty bad damage on the side of it here. We've really taken on this Sprinter business in the last couple years and outfitted the shop with all the Select frame benches and specialty Mercedes welding equipment to repair these things back to factory specs. This is just another example of something that we do here at OCRV. So if you've got any Sprinter vans, any minor repair, major repair, chassis suspension damage, we're the place to come. You can take a look at how complicated this job's going to get, and we'll show you later, but this whole interior is going to have to come out of this van because these outer panels are going to have to be replaced over here. So you're down to the bare frame. You can see that we've started the process a little bit over here. You can see we started carefully taking out the electrical components, and then the lights, and we'll start removing all this interior, and we'll show you some video of it when it's out and then as it's going back together, and when we're done, you'll never know it happened. So if you've got Sprinter repair and you want the right job done, come see us at OCRV in Yorba Linda.